Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has categorized MicroStrategy as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 5.97% since we initially recommended purchasing MicroStrategy 13 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.46% since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 10.12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 1.76% to positive 18.30%. In considering a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 70.82%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 25.72% to 160.60% over the coming year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price estimated to lie between $535.93 and $1,110.87. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy features the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price, up approximately 0.723% on Monday. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price increased by approximately 0.723% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. The price rose from $423.22 to $426.28. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.81%, with a low of $425.05 and a high of $437. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 7.74% over the previous 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 9 million shares, with a total of 10 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4.23 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside increasing prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $543, while the lowest price reached $102.40. Currently, the price is 21.5%, or $116.72, below the 52-week high of $543, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, trading under the ticker MSTR, has recently announced a significant potential shift in its investment strategy. The firm plans to conduct an initial public offering for 5 million shares of its variable rate Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. This move, intended to enhance financial flexibility and support acquisitions, signals confidence in the company's growth and plans to expand its market presence. However, the timing of this announcement comes amidst notable volatility, as MicroStrategy stock experienced a decline of over 7% in a recent 2-day trading span, despite Bitcoin's resurgence in popularity. This decline raises concerns among investors, especially given warnings from economists about MSTR's heavy exposure to Bitcoin, suggesting it might become a significant shorting opportunity. The fluctuating cryptocurrency market could influence MSTR's short-term stock performance, as any notable downturn in Bitcoin prices could exacerbate investor anxiety. Moreover, regulatory developments regarding cryptocurrencies continue to shape market sentiments. As the crypto landscape evolves, so too will the perception of MicroStrategy stock. In the short term, we might see continued volatility influenced by both the performance of Bitcoin and speculative trading activities surrounding MSTR. The long-term outlook hinges on how well MicroStrategy navigates the cryptocurrency's regulatory environment and its strategic positioning within the broader market. Should it successfully leverage its crypto assets while effectively managing risks, it could attract a more stable investor base, ultimately supporting a recovery and potential growth in stock price. Therefore, while MSTR is currently facing challenges, the strategic moves and the unfolding crypto landscape will be critical in determining its trajectory, both in the immediate and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned MSTR a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity also gave MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated MSTR with a hold grade and a hold action. Additionally, on the 19th of May, 2025, Barclays provided MSTR with a hold grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned MSTR a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio has also been rated as strong sell, along with the price-to-book ratio. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have assigned the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is situated above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $440.66. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $396.61. A breakout above the short-term average would signal a buy, while a breakdown through the long-term average would indicate a sell. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could be an early warning sign, necessitating close monitoring of the stock. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 6.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 63 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $414.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.95 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.81%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 3.73%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy is at $434.58. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy faces its first support level at $414.38. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Xiao Weiming, who bought and sold 22,402 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -33.614. In total, insiders acquired 135,309 shares and disposed of 273,063 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $403.35, reflecting a decrease of 5.38%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is MicroStrategy stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not deem these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current position, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, either to hold or to accumulate, while we await further developments. Following our analysis of volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we anticipate that MicroStrategy will open higher by $3.16, beginning trading at $429.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.